My story of discovering ethical fashion and ethical living started a few years ago in a lecture theatre. I found the lecturer describing how climate change was not just an issue of science and of big companies with polluting factories, but an issue which affected individuals and communities around the world, and was caused by the actions of individuals and communities around the world. Although mainly the Western world. I started thinking about the things we use every day which might have a negative impact here. From your water bottle, to the food that you eat, to the way that you travel. And then I stumbled across the clothing and fashion industry. And what I found changed the way that I viewed the clothes that you wear for good. I found that the fashion industry was among the highest polluting industries in the world, more than the maritime shipping and air travel industries combined. But not only that, there have been huge injustices in the industry, from workers' rights being violated to sweatshops, slavery and animal welfare abuses. This is an industry in need of radical change. An industry which has such a divide between its public face and its backroom workings, and an industry that we all contribute to. I started to think about and look into ethical alternatives to the mainstream brands that we use, and found that it was so complex. Blogs would tell you one thing, ethical ratings companies would tell you another, and certifications like fair trade yet another. There must be a simple way to find what we want. So a few months later, I decided to start buybetter. The idea behind it is to give people the information they need to make informed choices about the clothes that they buy and wear. We've started with basics, and our comparison platform lets you compare similar items from different brands by price, style, and importantly, their ethical credentials. So say for example you're after a new white t-shirt. Well, you can come to us, search for a white t-shirt and set your price and ethical parameters. And then you can find the t-shirt that not only fits with your price and style, but also fits with the issues that you care about. The exciting thing about the buybetter journey is it's only just begun. We've got tons of ideas of how we can make buying ethical easier for you, and ways to highlight the incredible work being done in the industry. So join the community and let us know how we can help your ethical fashion journey.